Other people are going to say some stuff.
Yeah, I think it's very apt of the passage that we just read, because truly God has chosen each one of us, and I really believe that God has chosen Sangeeta to be a part of CPN and to know each one of us, whether it is through work or personally. I think she's done something within each one of our lives, and we do know that since God has chosen her, and a talent for the being shared, and with that hope, we want to bid farewell to her, and though it is sad and sudden and all that, but then we're glad that God has a bigger and a better plan for her. And so, Nobin has a little poem that he would like to read for Sangeeta. So Nobin can start off, and then we have Mary who would like to share, maybe Ruben and anyone else who. Yeah. So yeah, we start with Nobin.
This is a poem that I wrote for Sangeeta. She was always saying, write a poem for me, write a poem for me. I'm going. Like, okay, alright. And I was just so pressured by this deadline that I had to finish this.
In one night, yeah.
Not even night, because I'm withering in pain. And I had to come in the morning and I had to finish this off, and I was like asking God, what exactly do you want me to write? And I titled this as Rhapsody of Hope. In case you don't understand what Rhapsody is, I refer to the dictionary. You can also do that. Okay. But Rhapsody is something related to music. Okay. And so this is how it goes. Imagination and wonder are all that you're about. Firm on the outside, but on the inside, not so stout. Searching what's next, what's good, and what's new. Amazed at life's turns and dreams that are due. Still, the dreams that you have are but like the northern star. These are God-given, even though they seem so far. It's a beautiful journey, this life, an adventure, a thrill, a communion called forever that no one can kill. It's a song in the making, a melody under construction, a beautiful composition by the master's instruction. It's beyond your wonder, amazement, or imagination's scope. It is the most beautiful rhapsody of hope.
Wow. Good job.
I just want to say that Sangeeta is like one person who has like a big, big heart. I remember this one instance where she didn't have food at all at her place. That happened a lot. Yeah, and the only thing she had was a cake. And I remember that she got, and I told her that, wow, I want to have that cake. And I remember the next day she had bought that cake, the whole cake, and she gave it to the whole office, and that was all she had to eat. So I really love that. And one thing I want to say is that she's one person who can bring a smile on anybody's face. So I really love that. I just want to say that to you.
I really don't like farewells. But sometime in life you meet people and people go away. But I feel, rest assured, like wherever we go and wherever we are, maybe in office or in some place, parents or relatives, but as a Christian you should always believe in one thing, that we are going in one place, there is no farewell. And that is the greatest hope I can give you, being a Christian and being a born again Christian. Even God is longing for us there. Even He is trying to end this farewell, and He is doing a lot of things. He is building house for you, me, everybody, and He is gathering His angels, and He is doing all the things so that we can ultimately be with Him. So yeah, we depart for a short time, but you and me can be assured that we are meeting in one place, and that will be the greatest joy and happiness. I bid you all the best in your life, and keep in touch on Facebook.
I also want to say something. God spoke to me when I was praying about you.
Don't cry.
No, I don't want to cry. I don't want to look at you. God spoke to me when I was praying for Sangeeta that He's going to establish her. And He's going to do that. Sthapit karega.
और जब वो स्थापित करता है वो उन्हीं लोगों के सामने स्थापित करता है जिनके बीच में से हम निकलते हैं, उसी को स्थापित करना बोलते हैं। एंड दैट्स सो नाइस एक्चुअली। ऐसा नहीं होता कभी भी कि हम दूसरी दुनिया में स्थापित होते हैं, हम अपनी दुनिया में ही स्थापित किए जाते हैं। एंड दिस इज अ वर्ड फ्रॉम गॉड एंड आई बिलीव इट। And I want to say thanks to her because she is my mentor. और ये जब काफी दिनों से मुझे मेंटर करती है और मैं सुनती नहीं थी और मैं I mean, and at times I did not like her feedbacks. I didn't want to listen to her feedbacks, and at times I used to just run away from the meeting. But I thank God for her because I think she told me so many things which were very important, which I did not know. And more than any feedbacks, more than any official thing, God has used her in my life like a very different person. जब शुरू में हम लोग बात भी नहीं कर पाते थे and I was like terribly afraid of her. I don't know why, but मुझे बहुत डर लगता था और मैं एकदम अपने कोने में बैठी रहती थी और मुझे बुलाया भी जाता था that Anshula, can you come out for a meeting? I'll like try to skip it somehow, like make some false excuse or something. But over a period of time, God taught me how to love a person, and you know, He gave me a very special love for her. And yeah, God has used her in my life. And when I came to know about her decision and about this decision, I was like, I prayed and I said that पहले तो इतना क्लोजनेस नहीं था, जब क्लोजनेस हुआ तो अभी ये इनको जाने की लग गई, ये क्या हो गया? And God spoke to me that it's not, at times we see very limited, but He sees a greater plan. He knows that plan and He has made that plan, and He wants things to be honored His way. And if He has told us 2 months ago, He told me that He is going to establish Sangeeta, and we discussed this and we thank God for this. But then we came to know about this. So the promise still remains, and that promise is that वो स्थापित करेगा तो वो करेगा, कैसे भी करेगा और हम लोग देखेंगे. And I want to speak this word for you, and God is going to do this. And I thank God for this day also because this is a special day, and He is checking so many hearts. And He's checking so many people right now. He's looking at them and He's probably loving us more as we love our kids when they become very emotional. We start loving our kids more. And I thank God for this day also, and I will thank God for that day which is coming soon.
जब संगीता ने ज्वाइन किया था तो
Can you be a little louder?
एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा गला है। संगीता ने जब ज्वाइन किया था यहाँ पर तो मैंने मतलब ऐसे देखा कि हाँ आई नो दिस गर्ल, मैंने इसको कहीं देखा है। मैंने संगीता को बोला आई नो यू, कहती हाँ मैं NDTV से आती हूँ। फिर उसके बाद जब इंटरव्यू के टाइम की बात है, लेकिन जब संगीता ने जिस दिन ज्वाइन किया फर्स्ट डे था, लाइब्रेरी में आई और उसने कहा यहाँ तो बहुत ठंडा है, तुम कैसे बैठती हो? मैंने कहा मैं बैठ जाती हूँ, अपना कैप लगा के बैठ जाती हूँ, बट थोड़ा सा पैरों में ठंडा लगता है, बहुत ज़्यादा चिपलिंग हो जाती हूँ। नो प्रॉब्लम, मैं तुम्हारे लिए सॉक्स लेके आऊँगी, ग्लव्स भी लेके आऊँगी। मैंने कहा ठीक है। एंड आई थॉट कि फर्स्ट डे है इस पर्सन का, लेकिन ये आके मतलब इस तरह से मुझसे आके बात करी है। एंड सेकेंड डे भी संगीता ने आके मेरे से ऐसे ही बोला कि आई विल ब्रिंग ग्लव्स फॉर यू एंड सॉक्स। But I know she forget, no problem. But no problem. But I observe one thing in her. She's very caring. She's very good, and I love you so much, Sangeeta. And I would like to share one word to you, and this from God for you especially. This from Jeremiah 33:3.
Call to me and I will answer you and tell you great and unsearchable things you do not know.